party spotty. Destiny, me now wear no filter. I accept me. I accept me. I accept myself. I don't listen. When you accept yourself, people, you don't need no filter. You don't have to hide your beauty. I accept me with or without filter. I accept me with my bumps. I accept me with my teeth. I accept me with my black spot. You don't accept your blood clot self, I'll know. You don't accept yourself, I'll know. You're afraid to accept your own self. You want people to accept you. Until you accept yourself, nobody gonna accept you. Accept your blood clot self first. Me accept me. That's how I can compare ya. Nobody a while ago. That's why I can't come from blood clot, yeah, and come with no filter, because I accept myself. You come and show, here now, this time beat my destiny. Have you ever buy a bed? Have you ever worked and buy a blood clot bed? Have you ever worked and buy a bed from the day you're born? I don't think so. I pay freeness, you get destiny, you live for freeness. You live for blood clot freeness. You live on life, I come ball. You live on life, I come ball after your class, me and bring me down. After your class, me, you bring me down, you come a ball pan life, I look pity. Have you ever buy a bed before? Have you ever buy a bed before? You know what it's like to buy a bed? Have you ever done a 9 to 5 before? Everything you do in life is free, so you're bound to know pay free, so I get. For your bound to know this, you pay free, so I get. You never work for the day you're born yet. Listen, you don't have to turn gay now. But God never make it the way destiny. A mistake blood clot bring you come here. A mistake carry you blood clot come here. As much as you might make me nasty, where I want to tell myself, listen people, me can't done myself to me. It's a blood clot girl who like wash, cook and blood clot clean. Me not like wash, me not like cook, me not like blood clot clean. I don't like to do nothing and come on TikTok. So you can't tell me what things I tell myself already. Move. You can't tell me what nothing where a blood clot tell myself already. Me not like wash, I don't like cook, I don't like blood clot clean. I'm always tell people that. I don't like none of them something. I always say it. I'm proud for blood clot say it. But you want to come use against me? You can't use what I tell about me against me, boy. What? You, as much as me come cuss my family and blood clot social media, my family them love me. As much as me come cuss my family and social media, they accept me. I have my money can pay. Listen, I have my money, I can pay somebody to come clean for me. So I don't need to want to clean. I have my money can pay one girl or one man to come clean my apartment. It's very easy to do. I can go on Facebook and advertise someone want to clean for your day and them come and clean. I'm not talking about blood clot air one today. Do this and beat me. Me I got air blood clot cleaner today. When you do this and beat me. Now I'll share some million blood clot lady P. And me near lady P destiny. Me can't hire blood clot near. But you can't hear anybody come until you sit down a day, one time and wait. Destiny only. How many times? I ain't playing now. I'm not okay. I'm upset.
Sister, this.
Oh, my brother, them. Oh, me have AIDS. Oh, me have work. Oh, Destiny should be ashamed of your blood clot self. You left out your mother house, you run away so you got a better life. What is a better blood clot life? What is a better life that you're looking? Destiny, you see you? You see you, boy? I want box on your face. You left Jamaica and you said you're going to look a better life. What is a better life? To sit down on social media every day and beg? What is a better life? What is a better life? To sit on social media every day begging? I'm gonna buy this, guys. I like to have stuff. I never beg. Nobody can see me come on social media and beg a force. When my company come beg a force, when the force will come beg. Right. When me come beg, I don't force if you come blood clot beg. Because me is a girl when not like beg. Oh. Me want panty shield. But it want panty shield, don't it? Probably. You don't want to have too much things, you know. Enough time I come here, lady P, put up your goal, put up a life goal. I do not like to blood clot beg. I want to force me. Oh. Money start cure this infection. $11. Me I try, me guys, me like look at products there. Me I buy some products for them. Which one is better? Which one is better? Hey, dead dog, come off my life drunk, bro. Destiny, I want to buy some money start for your body wall. Destiny, I want to buy some money start and put in your body wall. At least I can buy a pill for your pussy and cleanse it. But your body wall can't take nothing. I want to buy some money start for your blood clot ass. I want to buy some what to sell for your blood clot ass. You talk about my face, you better my face look better my pussy clean. Everybody knows your face have a blood clot, there's a broke out. But it better my face look bad and my blood clot pussy clean. You get me? I want to give some vegetable for your body sick. I don't want apology from Destiny. Me no want no apology from Destiny. Me no want no apology from blood clot Destiny. Get away from me, girl. Me no want an apology from Destiny. That me a tell blood clot. Oh no. Somebody come tell me say Destiny apologize. You can't bring down a person like that on live. You can't come on live and bring down a person expect say me now go bring you back down. And not so life go. So because you apologize, so me not come bring you down. Huh? Because you apologize, me not come bring you down. No, my love, every time I come on TikTok and me feel like more answer, I go answer you until me calm down. Every time me come and me feel like me want to respond, me go blood clot respond. Come on, so life gone the way you want in life, a blood clot get. Who what bring down who? Hey girl, me not bring down Destiny now. Me not bring down Destiny. Destiny always bring me blood clot down. And if you fear no go talk the blood clot truth by here so. Destiny always bring me down. Him always the one that bring me down. And the first me a blood clot clap back. Him always bring me down, me laugh. Because me know me don't want to hurt him feelings. But me not no feelings. Me always try to protect for them feelings and them not protect mine. Me always try to protect for them feelings and them now try to protect my own. So nobody come and tell me about he apologize. So that's apological. That is not the way apological. Cream, I don't want the cream. I think they have the cream. Alright, me done. Me not buy nothing more. Me come go me yard. So because he come with him fake apology, you apologize to me after you done call me, say me have AIDS. You always come tear me down and me just laugh. And not Destiny alone with. It's not Destiny alone. The whole TikTok tear me down. Listen. The whole of TikTok tear me down. The whole of TikTok tear me down. And me subdue my feelings. Me hide my feelings. And me not respond. You get me? Then come. Then say me, oh, me just laugh. Them say me depressed, me laugh. Them say me ugly, me laugh. Them say me house dirty, me laugh. But the laughing blood clot done. Enough is enough now. Enough is a blood clot enough now. And now when you done me for done, and when you apologize for blood clot, apologize. And for all hypocrisy in my life, you know, go. For all hypocrisy in my blood clot life, you know, go. Because I'm hypocrite. When you sit down and see all this in the class me, when you sit down and see all this in the class me, all this in the angle me, and me always laugh. But me say, me not laugh no more. If I come tell me not have blood clot dishwashing liquid, Destiny, dishwashing liquid is cheap. I don't think you know the price of nothing in blood clot Switzerland. I don't think you know the price of nothing because a donation your blood clot get. A donation your blood clot get. You don't know the price of nothing. You don't know the price of blood clot nothing. So go ahead. You want to come tell me, if you do some meet me, let's send him to something. Me? Now come on social media and show my apartment and try to beat you. You know why? You know why? How can I want to compete with you with my apartment when me know me get my apartment? You think a government give me apartment? Government did not give me my apartment. Government did not give me my blood clot apartment. And me go hustle and get my apartment myself. How can I want to blood clot compete with you when I'm freeness? How can you compete with freeness? Destiny, do you know what it's like to work? Have you ever do a 95 for a day, man? Have you ever done a 9 to 5 when day one with a blood clot cardboard bed end? Destiny, something on a bed. Destiny, you're going to say I don't have any bed, but you have a cardboard bed end. Which one better? Huh? Which one blood clot better? Me not on a bed and you have a cardboard. Family bound me don't know so cardboard can be blood clot bed end. You should have shamed myself at all. What is my girl? Listen, get up. When me at 24 months of work, I go through. When I'm 24 months of work, my blood clot go through. But you can consider for your big body hole. A taps and roses. I love freeness too much. That's why man plug you. That's why them plug you. Okay, I love freeness. You licky. Yeah, you licky Destiny. You're very blood clot licky. That's why man plug out your body from early because you're licky. You must stop it, man. Make use. I'm an empowerment woman. Who did the same thing? No, my love. Me not come on TikTok come blood clot big. Me not come on TikTok come big and we can comment. I do not come on here come big like them. Oh. That's why them plug in because him love freeness too much. I don't come here come beg. Allow not tell. Me not beggy like them. Me not beggy. Me no beggy. Me no blood clot beggy like Uno. But Destiny, you don't know what like Destiny. Have you ever buy a bed from the day you're born? Have you ever buy a blood clot bed from the day you're born? Be able to come off my life that Uno, you see Uno, that's why blood clot slackness can't done. That is why slackness can't done. That is why slackness can come up with Destiny slackness. We not pour him slackness. Get up and go look at work. Get up and go look at blood clot job. You're too lazy. You're fucking lazy. You're fucking lazy, Destiny. You're lazy. And that's the blood clot truth. You're lazy. You're lazy. You want freeness. You want me to show you my apartment? You're talking about show apartment. Him want this bad for true. Him want this bad solely. And him want this man. Listen, you're a blood clot waste of society. You are a blood clot waste to society. I don't understand why people want to waste their life. Why people want to waste their life? People don't have no ambition. They don't have any aim. They don't have any plans. They don't have any goal in blood clot life. Don't sit down and take freeness. They don't have any ambition, no plans, no aim, no blood clot goal. The only goal is to come and just get freeness. Life can't go so baby love. Every month something you got through. Come on, man. You said that you have been through so much in life. The month of something you see you got through. Come on. Get up now, man, and start with yourself. Get up and start with yourself now. Get up now. I don't come on social media come back, my love. Ask Sulia much and Sulia and say, Lady P, come around, Mr. Sulia, me not do the ranking, you know. I don't come on social media come back. Never. When I come and force me get force. When I come and force the blood clot get forced to come. Me not like social media like that. Oh, I mean, I beg you, I like it. I mean, I always tell something I like it. When I play a match, I force. When I come play a match, I out of force. I force me. Oh. If I tell me damn people say, Lady come play one match with me now. Sometimes I come for my life, I just want to come talk. Sometimes I come for my life, I just want to come talk, and people send me records and I say, I'm not playing a game. To play a match, because sometimes I come in and I just want to talk to you. Or it's a Lady P, go and play a match, Lady P. We want to play a match. I don't force you blood clot play a match. Oh no. I'm not talk like blood clots. I'm not careless. I am not careless. I am not blood clot careless. I was forced. Every time I come on social media and I play matches because I get forced. Every time I come on here and play a match, if you guys in the comment section beg me to play the match. I don't know. But you're not hypocrites. You guys are not going to want to speak because you're hypocrites. But if you're willing to speak, you know that I was forced. Oh, there was no friendship. There was no friendship from the get-go. You go buy washing soap, liquid to tidy up your kitchen, and you're there road a cuss Destiny asleep. Me no blood clot clear, me a cuss. Dead dog, me a cuss. Drunk, me a cuss. Me a blood clot cuss. Me have a right pussy clot cuss. Yes, they beg me to play a match. A lot of time I come and I say, guys, I'm not playing any match. And they say, Lady P, you want a match? A lot of time I say, guys, I am not playing any match. A lot of times I'm not playing a match, I want to beg me to play a blood clot match. Oh. You can't just diss people like that. Listen, me diss anybody. Me diss any blood clot body with fast on me. Me I got this uno cause uno first always a fast on me. Every time you come from my life, you want to class me. You class me and make people screen record me. Screen record you, class me and I always laugh about it. But guess what? I am not going to laugh about it no more because I'm only human. I'm going to try this soap, guys. I'm going to buy this. Go buy this. Every like a pussy tongue. Every like your pussy tongue. Good morning. Every like your blood clot pussy tongue. Every like your pussy tongue. Pussy tongue every like a lead. You come talk about every tongue. My tongue supposed to blood clot every time I eat a lot of strong good healthy blood clot food. Alright, I got me yard now. Destiny can't come to the supermarket. Destiny do not know what it is like to go and push a cart because Destiny get free goods. I'm going to try to wear my blood clot camera. You don't know what it is like to come and push cart in expensive place like Publix because you live off freeness. You do not know what it is blood clot like to push cart and shop because you know about hard work. You can't diss me, Destiny. You're worthless. You're a worthless man. You're a waste of blood clot society. Oh, you're a waste of society, blood clot. You're a waste. You are a waste of society, Destiny. You're a blood clot waste. You want to come talk about me? No, I have nothing. Me no blood clot have nothing. Destiny, you can't stop with me. You can't blood clot stop with me. Me to stop. Listen, dirty girl, come on blood clot live, but I don't need tobacco. I don't need tobacco. I want to have tobacco so I don't run up. That's why I buy tobacco because I don't want to run out for now. Me buy tobacco because I don't want to run out for now. I want if I buy this something like this, so I not buy no. I not buy. Hey, Kim, my nose is not sour, your pussy's tongue sour. Kim, are your pussy sour? If anybody sour is a pussy a dragging the fly, girl, go ahead. There's everything when we get in free stuff. When you can't live on a life, so no ambition, worthless, non-blood clot society, non-new stand society, blood clot loser. Lose blood clot, that's what you guys are in the comment section. All I want is a set of loser. Loser, watch them. As man like to come from people live, I watch them. Loser, go and find something constructive to blood clot do. Losers, unwanted losers. One. When you waste time, when you waste of time, losers, uneducated, unethical, blood clot, unwanted drunkards. Uneducated and blood clot wanted drunkards. Now, listen, go and make use of society. Go and make blood clot use in society. No waste of time, loser, you know. No, that is not going to work. That soap won't work. It's the water. It's the American pipe water. I'm allergic to the water here. If it was the first, you could do TikTok. Baby love, me can come on TikTok, come talk to myself. I can come on TikTok and talk to my blood clot self. Oh. Should I glad me go live? Baby love, me go block you coming away watch my live. Me can't watch myself on 2 phone me have. I can come on my live and watch my blood clot self. Come off head. Obe woman, you so no blood clot. Obe woman. First of all, I am not Obe woman. I do not do Obia. But if Destiny camera picture got berry ground, me a berry back film with egg. I not Obia that. They are berry for blood clot berry. I berry for berry. If he camera picture to berry in ground, I berry back is. And it's simple. It is very simple. If you bring my picture to graveyard, I bring back yours to graveyard. You said you're going to bring my picture to graveyard. I said if you bring it there, I'm going to bury yours with 3 eggs. You get me? It is very simple like that. I'm not a Obe woman, but if you bring my picture, I bring back yours, I'm going to do your own worse than how you do mine. Exactly. Graveyard is a serious thing. Graveyard is a serious thing, and if you want to bring my picture to graveyard, I will put theme 1 with egg and blood clot red string. 3 blood clot red candle, 3 egg and 2